I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir.
Wisiacy. Well, that's about it from my climbing. Let's try again. You can do it, Chris. That's it. Charity lane, ladies and gentlemen. On a fatigue gravel bike. Oh dear me. Cut and fiddle, climb. What a peaceful area. Brilliant. Although it's cold and quite windy. Oh yeah. So lovely today, as you can see, although it's incredibly nippy and it has to be just maybe 8 degrees. No, that's not for you. Jeez. This is how you do it. Komoot cloth. Take 3. Well, maybe not quite. But let's do it. Hi guys. Made it. Right on time, I guess. It's open from 10. Morning. Another surprise for you. I bet some of you might already know where I am. What's the elevation like? Let's have a look. Not too shabby. For Shires head, let's do it. Good way. Thank you. Flota? Oh, right, okay. Bit of surprise for you, but I'm sure Michael knows what he's doing, so few more minutes and we'll be ready to go. There's quite a lot left for us to go down. Bring it on. Three Shires head. It's all for you, my fellow YouTubers. As usual, on my channel. You ready for it? Bring it on. Him. Only a bit. Gdyby komuś było zimno, to może się rozgrzać. We are at the back of Gradbach, heading towards back of Roaches, and from there back to Leek. So stay tuned, but for now enjoy the rest of today's trip. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to this channel. How was the routes today, Michael?
Yeah, all good, mate.
I'm glad to hear that.